Testing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. We are back. We're here to talk about Zionix Global. Just to do a quick update. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out Zionix Global, go to www.aitradingbot.info. Okay, this website right here. The link is also in the description. All right, it's been a minute since we did an update, so we want to do that. But before we get into that, we must go over the disclaimer, right? Disclaimer, this is risky, okay? Risk of cryptocurrency trading is risky. So by using Zionix Global, you acknowledge that cryptocurrency trading involves substantial risks. No guarantees here, okay? We cannot guarantee you anything. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not here to advise you, all right? So this is extreme price volatility. So make sure you're using risk capital before you get into this or any, stocks, crypto, any investments, right? So you want to make sure you're using risk capital because we can't guarantee anything. This could be here today and gone tomorrow. So just know you're at risk, all right? We're rolling the dice to see if this really gonna work. So far, so good. But again, no guarantees. So we are not liable for any loss of crypto, okay, resulting from their trades or whatever they're doing, okay. All right, with that being said, let's move right along. So I was already logged in already. Here's my back office, okay. Haven't even looked at this thing till just now, really. And as you can see, let's see, our wallet is moving right along here. I can't remember what it was last time we did a video. But you can see we've got some earnings here in the Zionix wallet. They've got 3 wallets. They've got the Zionix wallet, okay, where this is the crypto rewards that you earn from the bot. Then they have a referral wallet. If you refer others, you earn from that. Then they have a deposit wallet. When you make a deposit of cryptocurrency into the platform, it goes into this wallet. By the way, this is crypto, so it's crypto in, crypto out, okay? So that's kind of where we are with it. I have 644 as far as the bot total of what the bot is trading off of. We got in this thing, what was that? When did we get in here? I think September, a month or 2 ago. 2 months ago? We'll look at it in a second. Let me go here. Let's take a look, see what's happening. While that's doing this, let's switch over to this email. Oh, there we go. I'm going to show you an email notification they sent out to us. Let's see what we got here. This is the marketplace. You have to purchase your bot. It's once a year that you're going to pay. All right, for the bot. Here are the different bot costs, if you will. I started with the starter package. It's $149 a year at the starter. And you have to deposit at least $99 worth of crypto. All right. The next package is $199 yearly, and you have to put at least $249 in that one. The advance is $249 a year, and you have to deposit at least $24.99 minimum. The elite is $299, and you have to deposit at least $10,499. The VIP is $549 yearly, and you have to deposit at least $21,499. Each one of these packages gives you different variations of the reward up to what you can earn. Again, it's not a guarantee, okay, as it shows right here. All right, and it comes with different benefits, right? So the higher the package, you get like intermediate and advanced education coaching. We all get the basic training coaching and weekly Q&A. And that's what the email that I was going to show you is about. The elite gets the custom bot optimization masterclass because they actually teach you how to trade here. If you want to learn how to trade, okay, on your own, or you can use the bot. but they do have education here. Then, of course, the VIP gets one-on-one strategy sessions and executive mentorship. All right. So those are the memberships. So you have to get your bot. Okay. You have to purchase the bot, and you make your deposit first. Step one is make a deposit, get your membership license, and then you want to activate your bot. Okay. And so it shows here. Here are my different packages that I've gotten started with. What do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 packages. I started September 3rd. So this particular package here has been running for 71 days. Before we get into that, there is a 180-day fund lock. Okay, where as in you can't get your crypto. Well, I say you can with a termination fee. Okay, but they lock it for 180 days, which is 6 months, right? But if you decide, let's say you do that and you say, oh my goodness, I got some emergency come up, or I changed my mind, I don't want to do this anymore. Here, as you can see, is they have what they call an early termination clause. You can get it out early with 30% early withdrawal fee. Okay, so it can be withdrawn. All right, so back to this. So you can see how many days we've been running so far. 71 days on this first one, 69 on this second one, 61 on the third one, 54 on the fourth one, and 20 days on the 5th package. Okay, all of these are active. We purchased 1 membership, and so what I do here is I just purchase additional package using that same membership. Okay, I didn't have to buy a new bot or anything. All right. So these are different packages. They run at different times, but it's the same rewards. Okay, so, and as you can see, I made deposits of different amounts each time. Okay, 131, 174, 122, 117, and 100. Okay, and all those, as you can see, are active. All right, and it's just running. Basically, that's what it's doing. You can also come here under, I think it's on-chain trading, and see the live trading transactions on-chain, access and integrate with our on-chain trading endpoints. And you can click here. I don't have this thing pulled up far enough, I don't think. Let me see. Oh, here we go. If I pull this over, look, I can click on one of these. These are actually trades that's taking place. Basically, it's arbitrage, buying and selling. What's happening, but these are live. You can click here and it will take you right over onto the blockchain, where you can see, as you can see, they're moving pretty quickly. See, selling and buying. Okay, all right, so that's how that goes. And let's go back. I haven't I'm going to tell you here in a second. Let me go back over here. While I'm waiting on that, let's look at this email here. Hang on a second. Okay, on the 12th, just so you know, Zionix Global offers education, okay, because they want to teach people about cryptocurrency itself, and folks that want to learn how to trade, they show you that. They have education classes. So here on, yesterday, they had a cryptocurrency master and education webinar. As you can see right here, the session promised to be a landmark experience, especially as the crypto market continues to navigate through a period of heightened volatility and cautious investor sentiment. In line with our structured approach to education, the session will once again be hosted in 2 distinct categories. So for all of us that's a starter, standard, or advanced license holder, they had session 1 at 4 p.m. London time. Okay, for the other folks, that's elite and VIP, that's session 2, and they had theirs at 5 o'clock London time. Okay, so it looks like it was for an hour. And it says the elite and VIP license holders are welcome to attend both sessions as part of the exclusive license benefits. Okay, so they actually held education webinar. Okay, so they do that. And remember, from looking at the different reseller license, I showed you the different benefits for each one. All right. So yeah, education. So if you want to learn how to trade, they can show you that as well. Now, so what are we going to do? And I kind of decided I'm going to alternate, right? For every 99 or 100 that I actually earn in rewards, crypto rewards, I'll alternate, right? I'll withdraw, then the next one I'll add, and so forth, back and forth, all right? So what we'll do with this one, we'll go ahead and add this 6th one in here. And then the next time it accrues $99 to $100, we will withdraw it, okay? So today I'm just going to go ahead and activate another one. So we come here, right? Real easy. Bot activation, because the bot is already activated, right? So we've got these here. We just going to add another one, come all the way down. I'm a starter, right? So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click activate. It's already activated, but this is the one I'm in. So I'm going to click it. Zionix wallet, not Zionix wallet, ZDAF wallet. Let's see, it shows up right here. And I'm going to do it like this. See, it says minimum deposit is $99 in order to get this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it 100. Okay? And then the difference can sit there, and then when it, moves up there, I can withdraw it at $10 minimum, but we'll let it accrue a little bit. All right, so we're going to enter activation. So that's 100, and then we're going to click process. Congratulations, starter pack activated. Okay, so that gives me another one up here. It should go here. Let's come up and see. All right, there it is right there, 100 and 0 days, because we're starting today. And I don't know, and it says the 14th, I guess, because London, they're ahead of us. But it's actually today is the 13th for me. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. The next time this goes up here, because we left what, the 21 in there. Let's go back. My system is moving slow because we got a lot of tabs open. So we got that 21. Okay, so see how my balance went from 644 to 744. So we got left 21. So once it gets to, I'm going to let it get to maybe 50 or 100, then I'll withdraw it. Okay. But now we have made withdrawals. We've done, oh, it's right here. I was going to show you that still though. So I have made some withdrawals with it. And what we've made 3 withdrawals with it. 911, 927, and 1023. Okay, 1164, 3492, and 6499. Withdrawal process is at least 24 hours. So it could take up to 24 hours to get your withdrawal. And they take 3%. It's a 3% withdrawal fee applied. Okay, that's it. It's pretty much, as you can see, been running because I haven't even, maybe a week since I talked about it. And I haven't even really been checking on it or whatnot. It's just kind of been running on autopilot. All right, it shows you right here too, withdrawal. 111.55 is the total I've withdrawn. Okay, so we have done that. All right, but that's what I wanted to show you guys. So if you want to learn how to trade, they've got that here for you guys. If you want to access the bots and let them do that, or both, either way, they have that as well. So if you want to check it out, go to the link in the description on the screen, www.aitradingbot.info. Again, just make sure you're using risk capital, all right, because there is no guarantees. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Make sure before you get out of here, you click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, till next time, be safe. See you on the next video. All right, have a blessed day.